Christmas is just 6 weeks away, but Calgary's mayor is warning us that the holidays as we know it may not be on the table unless we get our act together. Good evening, I'm Tara OVerholt. Over 900 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. This as the new restrictions from the province come into effect. It is a 2-week clampdown that is aimed at curbing the spread of COVID-19. Much of it is voluntary. However, Calgary's mayor warning us and reminding us about what is at stake.
To be very cold about it. Our choice is a smaller Christmas with our own immediate families, or a Christmas with empty chairs at the table that'll never be filled.
Facing 2 weeks of additional restrictions in Calgary, Mayor Nenshi with the warning if we don't push back on rising COVID case numbers and hospitalizations. A sentiment echoed by Emergency Management Agency Chief Tom Sampson.
If we don't get this right, we'll certainly see more restrictions. No crystal ball is required. I'm actually quite concerned that we've called this clampdown from the 13th to the 27th. I'm concerned that it actually will need to go on longer than that.
Well, some people are frustrated by which activities have been targeted, like kids hockey versus casinos. Others are asking the city to do more.
Right now, the city has essentially zero enforcement power, just under the terms of how this works with the province. Public health has suggested that municipalities can request that power. I believe we should. I've got women and men out there with uniforms and ticket books who currently cannot write tickets. And I think that if there are people who are egregiously and flagrantly putting others at risk, they ought to get a ticket.
Sampson says they are drafting a letter to the province about allowing Calgary police to have a role in enforcement and is optimistic about how it will be received. All of this as the province inches closer to 400 COVID-related deaths after 5 seniors died due to the virus. Hospitalizations also jumping in the province from 225 yesterday to 240. 54 people are now in intensive care. 907 new COVID cases have been identified over the past 24 hours, bringing the total number of active cases in the province to just above 8,500, 3,500 of those in the Calgary zone. And as the numbers rise, Mayor Nenshi says that collectively we have the power to change the direction of the virus.
Don't wait for the government to tell you what to do. Do the right thing now.